Hi everyone, the next few episodes will be on teaching mode where you use the Taptilo application with the device. In this episode, we'll go over how to connect the Taptilo device to the app via Bluetooth. First, download the Taptilo app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Turn on Taptilo and wait until you hear the audio instructions. Open the app and tap on the block icon that says Tap to connect your device. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone if it's not on already. You'll see a pop-up screen with a list of Taptilo devices that are discoverable near you. If your device is not showing up, try refreshing the list after a few seconds. From the pop-up, select the serial number of your device. The serial number label is located on the bottom of the device. Once the device is connected, you'll hear a message,
Application connected,
and the app will show the main menu. After you've connected your device once, it will automatically connect to the same device when you tap on the block icon. If you would like to connect to another device, you can do this in the app settings. Tap on the options icon on the upper right corner of the main menu, then select Settings. Here you can either connect or disconnect a device. Let's look at the rest of the options in settings. Here you can change the language of the Braille content, set a practice reminder, or send us feedback. Now that we've learned how to connect the device to the app, in the next episode we'll look at how to use teaching mode.